Welcome to my fish room. That is a blue Hamlet.
Something wrong with him?
No, I don't think so.
Marking?
No, it's just his marking. Arrow crab.
Running out of room.
What's all in the jug? Put all the clear plastic in.
There's one there.
About 20 of them for here, dog.
Huh?
About 20 for here.
20?
20.
Huh. Don't buy them again.
They were 63 cents.
They were worth none.
They were worth
cents.
exactly 63 cents.
Maybe.
What, you're expecting miracles for 63 cents? That was a flame cardinal. Blue-legged.
Clean.
I don't know why I like them, I just do.
It's a snail.
Yeah, I'm getting the impression. That's a snail. Well, in with the snails, we get a hermit crab. In with the hermit crabs, we get snails. Seems appropriate.
Anemones.
Pinkaded. Tepided. Pinkaded. Tepided. Yeah, that one ain't making it. Okay, who else is going where?
There's 2 empty tanks.
There's how many?
2. And when you said you fed lettuce to everybody, you missed the blue tangs.
No, I gave them lettuce.
No, you didn't.
What are these for?
Huh?
He's swimming.
Yeah.
He was doing fine yesterday.
He was doing fine earlier, too. Yes, there's somebody in there.
I would use the container. tanks are empty?
The one on the end here, and then the long, short one over there.
The end where?
Where the box fish was.
That's to go over here. Didn't have any trouble switching her out?
No. Alrighty then. Well, I guess that's the end of the video.
You're not gonna do anything exciting?
No.
Oh, come on, son. Be exciting. Live on the edge. You want to sing?
No.
What song would you like to sing?
I said no.
I'm not listening to you. That's a horseshoe crab test. No horseshoe crab in it, but... Did you know their blood's based on iodine? Not iodine, copper. What am I saying? Iodine-based blood system, yeah. Okay, that's scientifical. Incorrect, but scientifical.
Scientifical.
Scientifical? What's in this tank? Just the blue tank?
Yeah.
And toadfish. I'm sure you're a place to put him. He might eat somebody.
Pretty much anywhere, except there.
Yeah, that'll work.
Alrighty.
Alrighty.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.